Hey folks, Stuart McKee here from PCG, and we are back with some more how-to videos. So if you're like me and you've recently just started using Audacity, this will be the beginner's guide for you. So I've just been using some Audacity in my latest videos, and I've been just sort of tinkering with it, trying to get it to work properly, and I thought I'd make some introduction videos into how to get started on Audacity. So we'll take you over to the main screen. This is just going to be short and sweet, simple. So if this is the first time you're using Audacity and you're wondering what exactly it is, well, simply Audacity is a free open source digital audio editor and recording application software. It is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, and other Unix-like operating systems. So it's completely free. Just go on to Google, type in Audacity, you can download it, and then you can get started straight away into recording audio. It works great for videos that you need to do some sort of backend audio or add some narration over the top of the video. It's perfect. I'm just starting out on, so we're just going to go in, we're just going to look at some of the basics. We're going to show you how to get your recording set up, get the levels all done, and where you're going to save the file. And yeah, just a beginner's guide introduction. So now we're at the main screen of Audacity. As you can see along the left hand side here, you have your action buttons like pause, play, stop, rewind and record. So the next settings we want to go is to the bottom left hand side, which is your project rate settings. Now it will be default set to 44,100. You can leave it there or you can move it to 48,000, which just gives you a more improved sound. And you can just tinker with these settings if you feel comfortable enough. I have not used these yet as I'm only just starting with Audacity. And the next thing we need to do then is set our microphone input. It's this little icon along the top toolbar here. If you want to drop that down, and then obviously you'll need to select your microphone that you have on your computer. I'm assuming you'll know what this is. Just simply select that button. Right beside that you will see your recording settings. Now it's set to mono, make sure you set that to stereo. And the final box beside that is your audio output settings. You want to drop that box down and select whichever device you're using. Obviously if you have a headset you would select that, or if you're using speakers you would also select speakers. So the next thing we need to do now is set the levels. So over on the top right hand corner you will see your microphone level. You can adjust this to whatever level you need. Then say you would turn it up if you're talking from a distance from your microphone, or if your microphone was sort of really close to your mouth you would set the levels down lower. And then your speaker settings, obviously you just need to set that to whatever level is comfortable for you. Now we have it basically set up for a recording. So on your top left hand side, your action buttons, you just need to hit record, and then it will start to record audio for you. And then once you're done you just press pause, and now you can see you've got your waveform there in stereo. And then you can obviously select the levels of each side. Now once you're happy with that, you can play it back and ensure that your levels are correct and the sound is good, and you're happy enough to go forward and save the file. In order to download a usable file from Audacity, you will need to go to File and not Save but Export, and then you want to select Export as an MP3 file so you can use this file in your videos. And then obviously you'll need to save it in whatever location is comfortable for you. Everybody has different preferences. And then once that's set up, you just name your file, which can be anything. We will just put down voice 1 as the file name, and then we will move on. Now we have that sorted. The last thing to do then is just hit save. And then it will bring you to this little box where you can sort of name in more detail your file, date and whatnot, and what it's called, and genre, which I don't really need. I can just stick with the name that I already have set for it. It will be easy for me to access. And that's all there really is to it, folks. This is just a beginner's guide to how to get your Audacity set up and straight into your recording. And then obviously if you're not happy with your recording or you're done with it, just go to edit and undo recording. And then if you want to go again, just simply hit record. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial video there. That was just my Audacity beginner's guide, sort of introduction in how to use the program. I hope that was useful for you folks. Thanks again for watching. Thank you all for support. And we will be doing more Audacity videos once we start diving into the program and getting to know it a bit better. Thank you all. Take it easy, and we'll see you all in the next one.